Hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace a pin on your zippo. This is a normal zippo. It has a pin right here, you can see, and we have a broken zippo here. The pin broke, so we are going to replace it right now. You're gonna need zippo, a normal wire cutting pliers, and you're also gonna need a normal pin. First, you have to move this little piece here and put the cap to fit in those little bars on the other piece of your zippo. So it have to be like this. And you insert the pin. Once the pin inserted, you can close the cap and bend the pin as close as you can, just like this. Then you can take your pliers and cut the rest. And here it is. Certainly I don't recommend this because zippos has a lifetime warranty, and you can easily send them your zippo and they can fix it properly. But if you are not able to do that, this is a solution, temporary. You can see it works as fine, just fine. And that was it. See you, bye.